In this tutorial, we will set the span and offset for an analog input on the F073 Level Monitor with a simultaneous level and height indication. The programming instruction can also be used for the other level indicators and monitors, though menu items can differ slightly with the ones shown in this video. The span is used to convert the 4 to 20 mA sensor signal into the displayed value of your choice. It is based on the selected measuring unit and, if applicable, on the selected time unit. The span for level and height is the value that corresponds with the 100% sensor input signal at 20 mA with a 0 offset. The offset is the amount of deviation of the displayed value compared to the default value of 0 at the minimum input signal of 4 mA. The offset can also be set as a negative value, but this is unlikely for a level application. The more accurate you define span and offset, the more accurate the F-series indicator will measure. To display a level range from 200 to 652.31 US gallons, we will set a span of 452.31 for volumetric level measurement with an offset of 200.00 in US gallons and 2 decimals. To display the height range from 30 to 220 centimeters, we will set a span of 190.0 with an offset of 30.0 in centimeters and 1 decimal. Let's take a look how this works. Hold the Program button for 7 seconds. Menu 1 Level appears. You can use the Clear and Select buttons to navigate through the menu. Use Select to go to Menu 11 Unit. Select the engineering unit for level. Press Prog to change this setting. Select USGAL for US gallons. Press Prog to store this setting. Now use Select to go to Menu 12 Decimals to select the number of displayed decimals for the level measurement. Press Prog to change this setting. Select 2 decimals for an accurate reading in the display. Press Prog to store this setting. Press Select to go to Menu 13 Span. Press Prog to change the span. Set it to 452.31. Press Prog to store the span. Use Select to go to Menu 14 Offset. Press Prog to change the offset. Set it to 200.00. Press Prog to store the offset. The display settings for level are now correctly configured. Use Select and Clear to navigate to Menu 2 Height. Press Select to go to Menu 21 Unit. Press Prog to change the engineering units for height. Select cm for centimeter. Press Prog to store this setting. Use Select to go to 22 decimals to select the number of decimals for height. Press Prog to change this setting. Select 1 decimal. Press Prog to store this setting. Use Select to go to Menu 23 Span. Press Prog to change the span and set it to 190.0. Press Prog to store the span. Press Select to go to Menu 24 Offset. Press Prog to change the offset. Set it to 30.0. Press Prog to store the offset. The display settings for height are now correctly configured. Now all is set, we are going back to Run mode. Hold Prog for 3 seconds to exit the Setup menu and return to Run mode. You can see the configured settings in the main display. Congratulations! You have now configured the span and offset for a simultaneous level and height indication at an F-Series level monitor with an analog input. All Fluidwell F-Series have the same intuitive menu structure. When you know one, you know them all. Fluidwell understands. Your success counts.